right, this is a neat plant called Morris alba. This is actually a white mulberry, so some of you might be familiar with the common leaf structure of a white mulberry, but this is a really unique plant. So this is a naturally occurring sport. You can see how crinkly the leaves are here, so that makes it a lot different from that original straight species. And when they found this naturally occurring sport, they did vegetative propagation and created this cultivar called Ho-O, H-O-O. So that's just a really neat, fun new cultivar. Occasionally on these sports, you will see reversion, where the leaves return to their normal state. And we do have a limb here that's reverting. And so you want to make sure and prune these reversions off just to make sure that you keep your original sport.
Wow, that was quick. If you want quick gardening tips, just subscribe below.